Hey everyone, this is Veronica Wasek with another episode of BK Biz. Should you have a website for your bookkeeping business? Should you have a website for your bookkeeping business, or just a Facebook page, or nothing at all? That is a question that I hear a lot, and in my opinion, you should absolutely have a website for your bookkeeping business, and you should invest in a very nice website if you can. One of the things that I've noticed is that when I had a kind of a more homemade website, that I got a different kind of client than I do now, where I have a much nicer website and I'm actually able to get premium clients. Having a website helps to add a credibility, and that is one thing that you definitely want to build, is your credibility in terms of being able to get ideal clients, and especially premium clients, because the more credible you seem, the more that your ideal client will place value on the services that you provide. So what if you can't afford a website right away? Well, you should at least have a one-page landing page so that there's something there for your ideal client to see. So make sure that it has an About Me page. It lists your services, tells a little bit about you and your company, and most importantly, a call to action. What do you want them to do once they land on your page? Usually a call to action would mean that you want them to contact you in some way. So whether they are calling you or booking an appointment with you using your online calendar. I use Acuity, which I love, because I get people booking appointments on my calendar every week, and I don't have to worry about people calling or emailing me. They just go right to my calendar and book an appointment. So should you have a website for your bookkeeping business? Absolutely. If you find this content helpful, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can get all of the latest videos showing you how to get bookkeeping clients and how to grow your bookkeeping business. Also visit my blog at 5minutebookkeeping.com.